Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to find referral link for Coinbase. In order to find referral link for Coinbase, you just have to follow the steps. So what here you need to do is find Coinbase one home by navigating to the more menu. So what you have to do is here, first of all, navigate to the more menu from the home page or dot at the left hand side corner of the screen. Then what next you want to do is under your membership, you want to select the referral entry point, and then the next thing you want to do is here you will be taken to the referral dashboard where you could share your referral code with your friend via text, WhatsApp, Messenger, or many more. As you do it, so then you could go ahead and send it, and that is how you could find your referral link for Coinbase. This is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.